Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dom. I want to thank you for tuning in and watch this quick tip about the SQ series. Let's jump on the tip of the day.
So guys, the first tip is about how you send your channel to the left and right. In this case, as you can see on the screen, the channel number 1 is going is up. You can see that there is a level inside, but it's not coming to the left and right. So if we go on the routing and we see here, we can see that our main left and right is off. So just remember to always check that the main left and right is on. So if I push this down and press this on, we can start to hear something. So this is how you send the channel to your left and right output.
Thank you for watching guys. Please like and subscribe if you find the video useful. Just remember that these are all tips basic for a new user of SQ series. If you want to see more stuff in depth, I've got quite a lot of stuff on my channel and I'm recording every day new stuff. So if you are interested, just subscribe to the channel so you will be updated with all my new videos. Thank you.